In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with files in Google Drive using Gemini. You'll learn a quick, reliable way to ask questions about your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, and get helpful answers without opening each file one by one. This is great for summarizing long docs, pulling out action items, comparing versions, or drafting content that references the right sources. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account that has the files you want to use. It helps to know where your files live, your My Drive or a shared drive, and to confirm you already have permission to view them. If a file is restricted, Gemini won't be able to read it on your behalf. Next, look to the top right corner of Drive and click the Ask Gemini button to open the side panel. This panel is where you'll chat. If Drive is in a compact view, you may see a small icon labeled Gemini. Clicking it will expand the panel. Give the panel a moment to load the first time you open it. In the chat box, type the @ symbol, then start typing the name of the file or folder you want Gemini to analyze. You'll see suggestions appear as you type. Select the correct item to attach it as a source. If you prefer, you can use the Add Sources option to browse and pick files manually. Referencing a folder is handy when your topic spans multiple docs, like a project brief, a spreadsheet of tasks, and a presentation, so Gemini can consider them together. Don't worry, adding a source doesn't move or change your file. It just grants Gemini temporary access based on your existing permissions. Now, type your prompt and press enter. Be specific about what you want. For example, ask Gemini to summarize the attached document in a few sentences, extract action items with due dates and owners, compare two versions and highlight key differences, or draft an email that cites findings from the selected files. If the first answer isn't quite what you need, follow up in the same thread. Ask for more detail, a shorter summary, a friendlier tone, or examples. You can mention additional sources by typing the @ symbol again, or remove sources to narrow the scope. When accuracy matters, ask Gemini to reference the exact sections it used so you can quickly verify the results in Drive. That's it. With Gemini in the Drive side panel, you can turn your files into quick answers and working drafts in just a few prompts. Give it a try on your next report or project folder and refine your prompts as you go for even better results.